In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an effect or filter from your video clip. Whether you're polishing a project or undoing a creative experiment, this process is quick once you know where to look. First, find where the effect is applied. Most editors display active effects in a panel that updates when you select a clip on the timeline. Click your clip to make sure it's highlighted, then look for tabs or sections named Effects, Filters or Adjustments or Video. You're looking for a list of applied effects tied to that specific clip or selection. If the list is collapsed, expand it so you can see each effect by name along with its controls. Once you've located the effect, remove or disable it using the controls next to its name. Most apps place a small X, a trash can icon, or a reset option labeled None or Original right beside the effect. Clicking the X or trash can deletes the effect from the clip. Choosing Reset, None, or Original clears the effect settings so your clip returns to its unaltered look. If the program asks you to confirm, go ahead and accept. If you're unsure which effect is causing the issue, you can remove them one by one and watch the viewer update as you go. Sometimes effects aren't embedded in the clip, but appear as a separate layer on the timeline. This is common with adjustment layers, filter layers, or graphics clips stacked above your footage. If you see a layer that's clearly an effect or adjustment sitting over your video, select that layer and press delete. You can also right-click it and choose delete. Be careful to select only the effect layer and not your main footage. If multiple clips are affected by one shared layer, removing that layer will clear the effect from all clips beneath it. Now, preview to confirm everything looks right. Play a few seconds of the clip and watch for any changes in color, blur, sharpening, or stylized looks that were previously applied. If the clip still looks altered, double check that you selected the correct clip or layer and make sure there isn't another effect further up the stack or on a duplicate layer. A few quick tips as you finish up. If you remove the wrong thing, use undo to bring it back instantly. If multiple clips have the same unwanted effect, repeat the same removal method for each one. And when in doubt, resetting to original is a safe way to get back to a clean starting point. That's it. Simple, precise, and clean.